in, and the water drops are falling one by one. And while riding on this boat, I can see a few birds on the water, and they are going under the water in search of some fish for their food. You can see. Now it is drizzling. Drizzling has increased a little bit. You can see this lake is a little bit deep. I think people are not taking baths. I think that is because of the depth of this beautiful lake, and people are not allowed to take bath, I think, and only boat rides are available. But you can see the houses there, and the England architecture. You can see that the area is so beautiful and it's covered with mist right now. So thank you for watching.